Yeah, Colin here. Welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how you will search your job, data entry job easily by using your social media. There are lots of marketplaces to find your different types of jobs from freelancing marketplace. Now I would like to share another one step by step. At the end of this video today, I want to share the bonus tips and tricks how you will search your job from trustworthy. Two trust two platforms to find out your data entry jobs easily from any corner of the world by using your computer. So step by step watch this video if you want to earn extra cash by using your computer from data entry job. This video will be great helpful step by step, so watch this video. Before starting this video, I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, and if you are a first time on my channel, and subscribe this one and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box. So let's get started. All right, this is my LinkedIn profile. If you don't have any LinkedIn account, just open a LinkedIn account providing all types of information. Today I want to share how you will search your job from this LinkedIn profile on data entry job easily. So if you are a beginner, this video will be great helpful. I think first of all how you will create your LinkedIn account I want to share step by step. First of all, you have to come to this Google and search how to create a LinkedIn account or sign up LinkedIn account. Provide all the information, your name or first name or last name, password or details, mobile number or addresses. You can create your account on LinkedIn account easily, and then you have to create your iCASI banner for your LinkedIn account. If you don't have any knowledge to create your iCASI account, a iCASI banner for your LinkedIn account, just come to my learning and earning tube and create your iCASI LinkedIn banner like this easily. Watching this video from my learning and earning tube easily. So provide all the informations like this. I have uploaded some videos on LinkedIn account. On the other hand, I have uploaded some design according to my categories or according to my profession. Graphic designing work. This one is my logo which I have uploaded on this LinkedIn account. This profile will be great helpful to get your much more job from LinkedIn account from any corner of the world. So first of all, the secret tips and tricks, you have to decorate your or design your LinkedIn account. Professional LinkedIn account. You have to have easily. So I would request to create your account like this. After creating your account, you have to search on your searches over here like this data entry job. You will be able to get this lot of words on this feature. I think there are lots of work over here. First one is 9,614 results are over here. You can do or that in this job from this LinkedIn account over here. So first of all, this one is online data entry job. The second one is typing data entry job, data entry operator or fresher. You can work on this company over here. And this one is urgent requirement for part-time offline online data entry or work from home part-time job, data entry fresher, data entry internship or from home, hiring for data entry, work from home, data entry part-time or online. You can work your journey first time, whatever you like. So first of all, you have to choose your company from searching different types of jobs from this LinkedIn work. Now I'd like to share another one. This one is on the data entry of how you will apply on this online data entry job, and this one is Royal Info Services in New Delhi and India, I think so. If you are Indian, just you can apply on this job. On the other hand, from any corner of the world, you can apply as a data entry fresher or beginner on this job over here. So first of all, you have to click on this apply button over here, and read all the requirements. As you can see here, first of all, this company name is Royal Info Services, and this one is location Delhi. Description: hi guys, here is an amazing opportunity is waiting for you. Royal Info Services, which is a 12 years old company offering your home-based online data entry job and online video and job project. There are different types of plan in this both project. You just have to select a plan and you can start work as a registered candidate of Royal Info Services. Service is an easy work from home job. The project company and submit any experiences 5 days ago. It has been uploaded. So just click on this view jobs over here, and after reading all the criteria you can start your journey on this particular data entry job. So provide your email name over here and just click on this box. So click on this send button over here, and after sending your offer, jobs the clever you are now. So this one is another interface. So first of all you have to click on this apply now button over here. Just wait and provide all the informations: first name, full name over here. This one is my mobile number. This one is county you have to select from here, as you can see. So first of all you have to provide all the informations according to their requirements. Right, I have given or provided my full name over here, and this one is email address, this one is mobile number over here, and then you have to select the country, city. The people who are Indian, they can apply easily on such types of job only. So you have to read all the criteria before applying on this particular job. I think so. There are lots of cities over here: Delhi, Andaman, and Andhra Pradesh, and lots of cities over here. You have to select from here. So just I have selected this one called Calcutta, and select a job location from here. And this one is Behala, and this one is highest qualification courses over here. So I have to select this one. This one is pass out year. You have to select from this according to their according to your certificate. So this one I have provided all the informations, and contact me via WhatsApp group. So let's click on this apply over here. So just click on this mobile number over here. After providing all the information, just click on this quick apply and then wait. After waiting, you will be able to get this job book. This is the best and easiest way, I think, from any corner of the world on such types of job. If you are an Indian or Indian citizenship, just you can apply on this particular job over here. So you can apply like this, renew all the criteria from here, and this one is all the job requirement you have to read from here. So there are a lots of opportunities to find your job from LinkedIn. LinkedIn profile over here. So we come to this one jobs over here, people, content, companies, group, schools, event over here. You can choose in the types of categories over here. And this one is dated posted past 24 hours, first week, and this one first month, and anytime over here 9,614 words are available on data entry jobs over here. And this one is experience level. You can choose internship, entry level, associate, mid senior level, and director, executive. And there are lots of experience level over here. And this one is company name. You can search whatever you like. And on the other hand, this one is job type: full-time, part-time, other, or internship, contract, temporary. You can select from here. This one is remote job, and just click on this remote job if you want to get. And this one is a LinkedIn Resource Easy Apply 93 under 10 applicants 4,967, and this one is in your network 32 over here. Like this, you have to choose whatever you like, as you can see here. I strongly recommend you to use your LinkedIn profile to search your data in the job from any corner of the world by using your computer for earning extra cash. This is the best and secret way to search your job on data entry job as a beginner or a fresher So now I like to share another two professional marketplaces. First one is called Peopleforevercom. Peopleforever.com, the people who are fresher or a beginner, they can earn extra cash as a data entry typer from this Peopleforever.com. And if you don't have any account on this Peopleforever.com, you can create your account providing all the information. After creating your account, you have to create your iCassie banner, gig, to get much more job from Peopleforever.com. Lots of people from different kinds of countries like United States, United Kingdom, India, Bangladesh, and Malaysia, and much more countries. People are working as a data entry job, $70, $25, $20, much more work over here. This one you can. This one is the best platform as a beginner or a fresher data entry job holder. You can work from these peopleabout.com. Now I like to share another one. This one is called Fiverr.com. If you search about data entry job, there are lots of jobs over here, and this guy has published his gig. I do perfect data entry job, and this one is 5 rating. 3 job has been completed, 6 job has been completed, and 5 rating also. This one is $5, $15, $20. If you open this one, you will be able to get all the information. If you don't have any knowledge to create your Fiverr account, just come to my learning and on YouTube, and just click on this Fiverr earning tutorials to lots of informations on Fiverr.com. So if you are a first time, if you don't have any Fiverr account, just watch this video step by step. I have uploaded 8 videos on Fiverr tutorials. So first of all, you have to get your idea about this Fiverr.com, and just if you want to get such types of account, you have to create your, or you must create your iCassie to provide your services on Fiverr.com. Basic price is 15, standard price is 25, and premium price is $45. This guy has submitted on this on his profile, I think. So you can get your idea from this profile, I think. So I strongly recommend you to start your journey. Don't hesitate, or don't anxious to start your journey on LinkedIn.com. On the other hand, you can create your account on Peopleforever.com and Fiverr.com to get more and more jobs on data entry for earning extra cash. Thanks for watching my videos till then. If you are a first time on my channel, just subscribe my channel, and if you are a experienced person to start your journey, just click on this playlist to get all types of make money online related videos from my YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.